I'm delighted to be able to present our exhibition booth to you for this year's Intersolar 2022. IBC Solar has been supporting the topic of sustainability since the company's foundation in 1982, and this topic continues to drive us to this day. This guiding principle is also reflected in our corporate vision, in which, in addition to energy self-sufficiency, we've advocated in particular zero emissions and a livable and thus sustainable world. To mark the company's anniversary, we've dedicated this year's booth concept to sustainability. Thanks to the cradle-to-cradle design principle, we were fortunately able to achieve 98% recyclability. Cradle-to-cradle means that the materials used can be reused in biological or technical cycles in the same targeted quality and continuously. In the first step, this meant for us that we considered which materials we actually need so that IBC Solar can work well at the booth. And in the second step, we made sure that the materials were selected to be as recyclable as possible. To highlight the three business segments at our booth, we use hoods with a frame construction made of aluminium profiles covered with nylon ropes for optical area representation. The aluminium profile is returned to the rental stock after use at the trade fair, and the raw material can be recycled with almost no loss after the end of the corresponding life cycle of a profile. The nylon ropes will be reused by partners of EPEA GmbH. The tables, cabin walls and counters are made of certified native spruce, single variety, and are therefore left untreated, so the wood could be returned to the biological cycle. However, we're delighted to be able to use it to support Dachau Montessori School in its Bee Garden project. With over 6 meters of product tables, we were able to hide all the technology and all the cabling underneath. This helped us avoid laying out a complete raised floor over the entire booth. So in total, we've saved 7 tons of material. A key part of our trade fair communication is digital. With a sophisticated screen concept, we inform visitors about our exhibits, but also create zoning and navigation via our booth. In this way, we avoid further waste due to any stickers or unnecessary support walls. We use fabric panels made by Trevira CS to visually enclose the entire exhibition booth. Trevira operates its own take-back system and reuses the flame-retardant fibre in insulation materials and acoustic panels. Plexiglass is used for the visually appealing presentation of texts or for mounting brackets. Plexiglass beats almost any other plastic in terms of its recyclability, as new raw material for products can be obtained by processing the raw material without any loss of quality. We're delighted to have achieved a recyclability of 98% through the commitment of everyone and the creative solutions at our booth, and thus to have contributed to a world worth living in. Have sun, your IBC Solar team.
Have sun, Ihr IBC Team.